God, so it's another day of Vlogmas, even though I'm in the same shirt because I did a video some time ago, so just please to ignore that. And I will be doing a voiceover. Now, I don't get to do these voiceovers very often, but I'm gonna do this one and hopefully it goes well. It is for talking history and I enjoy them something here, but I feel like, I don't know if I'm gonna do it good, but I'm gonna try my best. Yeah, because I feel like I just need to warm up my voice, so let me just like do some like exercises because you know how the, oh my god, Jesus Pim, oh my god, I think I need to like bleach my teeth because honestly I don't like some teeth have a natural color. More my teeth like disgusting white, you know, like white when I look real. I do color them more my teeth have like, yeah. And so that is what I'm doing today. Uncutters. Uncutters, is that what I'm talking? I'm calling y'all uncutters. Uncutters, it's on a way. Oh gosh. But yeah, I'll be doing my voiceover thing, so I'm gonna show you a little bit the behind the scenes of that. And please do not laugh half at me. Where do I look? Do I look here, so or look here, so? I guess it's here, so? Or do I look where? Where do I look? Like, hold on, I must find like where. Oh, so I look in here, so. So, oh, okay, I figured it out. Okay, all right. So yeah, anyway. So now I can't even get to start my voiceover because who is on the phone? My my very cantankerous friend Rochelyn. Okay, Rochelle?
Yes.
Say hi to the people them since you don't want to appear in my vlogs anymore. You don't want to appear on my channel. People make you hear you.
It's not true enough.
Tell the burritos them a better hide than that.
Lies. Him don't want me to on him channel. Somebody that was lame.
Like honestly, I'm me I for call her a while ago and I'm gonna know how she end up answer the phone.
I know that call you. Goodbye.
What?
What kind of comment when you have problems with the camera? Go on.
What? Why would you put that out there into the people them know I call you regularly and consistently? Tell the people them listen, Rochelle. Tell Rochelle, chat the truth. I regularly call you, I'm gonna say, hey beautiful, how are you? How is your day? Is everything going fine? How can I assist you with your content?
No, what? You call me when you're returning my call.
Wow.
Because sometimes I have to call somebody if I say, well, I let the back man call you and answer me.
Yeah, and then she just whoops me, give me a box across my face. But I just saw it go. I just saw it go, I just deal with it. But yeah, what you call me for? Because you tell me say you saw one of my burritos.
Oh, okay, yeah, I saw one of your burritos who bad me up and tell me to make sure that I tell Duttyberry hi because I love the two of you. I love you, but I love if you did carry him with you.
But they mentioned so them love me more, right?
They did not say that.
But it's implied. It's implied.
They did not say that. They said that both you and I are their favorites on YouTube, and I should tell you hi.
Was this like a 12-year-old?
No, goodbye. You know that's not your fan base.
That's not your fan base either. That's not.
You know why? I stretch anyway. I'm family friendly, so I'm all in.
Okay, anything I make you sleep good at night, okay? Wait until the people them say you drop your only dash account.
No. Unless I toes. You know you make it when people start requesting toes.
Yeah, man, you just start by different Bridgets and just show off the toe them and the white toenail and them some of the.
Yeah.
Just split the funds with me. Anyway, rush me if you get back to work. We finish now?
Yeah, I'm gone.
Oh yeah, they take a look. Oh, you up on the road?
I'm on the road. Goodbye.
You could buy like a food and pass, come give me or something like that.
I'm in Portmore, love. I'm nowhere close to you.
Okay, alright. Anything you say, okay? You probably literally up the road, but you just said this because you don't want to beg your food.
I'll pass by later. Goodbye.
Alright, thank you. Bye-bye. Alright, that's Rochelyn. Anyway, I'm going to do the voiceover.
The Zong massacre, read by Duttyberry. The slave ship Zong departed the coast of Africa on the 6th of September 1781 with 400 and... I like that at all. Hold on. The Zong massacre, read by Duttyberry. The slave ship Zong departed the coast of Africa on the 6th of September 1781 with 470 enslaved Africans. Now this made the ship very overcrowded due to how many captains took on more captives than their ships could accommodate in order to maximize profits. The Zong's captain, Luke Collingwood, overloaded his ship, and by the 29th of November, many of them had started to die from diseases and malnutrition. The Zong then sailed in an area in the mid-Atlantic known as the Doldrums. Because of periods of little or no wind, itself increased the profile of abolitionists such as Granville Sharp and Alauda Equiano, and brought new converts including Thomas Clarkson and Reverend Ron... Granville Sharp and Alauda Equiano. Although those who were responsible for the Zong massacre were never brought to justice, the event...
Well, that was that. That was so much stress and struggle. And yeah, I'm gonna try to do it one more time though. Alright, so guys, if you're looking at this box right here, say it's from a it's from a video. Oh, if you guys are looking and seeing all of this flower right here, so this flower is from another video. I think I might put it up before or after this one, so just ignore it. Anyway, that is it for my little voiceover session. I think in the end it came out pretty okay. Hopefully, you know, them like it, but yeah, that's just it. So anyway, that's it for this DB. You know what, honestly, I'm not even pretty up on the photo. Like, I'm still getting used to this idea of doing the second channel, and it is such a chore for me. But I decided to December, I'm giving myself 1 month of practice to kind of get in the hang of things and then start fresh January. So only just there for just watch me do my little, you know, draft. So the whole of December is a draft. So just work with it, okay? So that's it for this Duttyberry Uncut. Make sure say you like, share, the usual, you know, comment, and if you haven't subscribed, please to do so, because, you know, I'm trying to complete the rest of Vlogmas. Bye-bye.